Hello everyone, how are you? Fine. Well, in today's class we are going to talk about the two formats of writing Shakespeare. One is no doubt it is article writing and another one is your diary entry or diary writing. So we are going to discuss about what? We are going to discuss about how we write article writing. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do where we have got the chances to lose our marks and where you can get your marks. Is it? So let's start. See, here's heading title and it is article writing. So whatever the title of the article writing, suppose the question is demanding about the drought or the flood. So we are going to take an example of the flood situation. See, you have to write, and if the name is given, you have to introduce your name. If no name is written, you can write down ABC or XYZ. See here. So I am going to write about here. The first one is title, heading is there. Later on, leave one line by, in the mid, by your name. If not name is given, write down XYZ, leave one line. Then introductory para. In the introductory para, we introduce the question. We expand the question. Is it? Now, after the introduction of the question about what we have to write, we write the thing. Later on, we leave one line. Later on, we talk about the middle para. In middle para, what? In middle para, we do what? We write about the causes. What are the causes of the topic? Whatever the impacts of the topic, okay, and what steps should be taken to check that. And now, last one, summing up. Summing up is what? You have to give conclusion. In that summing up para, you have to give conclusion, and at the end, concluding paragraph. In that one concluding paragraph, you have to say about, you have to give some catchy slogans which could catch the eye of the reader. Is it? Okay now. So we are going to have some examples here. Heading, I am writing the heading of flood. FLOOD, flood. And just underline it with the help of the ruler. And just in the center point, from the center point. Okay. Write down by. If your name is given, write down name, and no name is given, you can write down XYZ. Later on, leave one line, introductory para. In introductory para, what I am going to write is here. We all face flood situation. We will say we all face situation of flood in our life. So it causes a loss of property, okay, and life. Now, middle paragraph. In the middle paragraph, you have to write down what are the causes of the flood. Causes of the flood: deforestation. So you have to write down in this way causes. Many causes are there. Of flood. Okay, one of them is deforestation, like deforestation. Okay, poor water management. Etc. Is it? These are the causes of the flood. Now, what impacts? It can be fatal for our life. for our life. Now leave the line, then write down both. So, grow more tree and have a proper water management. Okay, so you can expand your ideas while writing a concluding paragraph. In that concluding paragraph, you have to just sum up. I have just written a little bit lines. We have to write more. I hope you are getting. Now we are coming to the format of diary writing. In that one diary writing, first of all, you have to write down day. What is the day today? For example, it is Friday today, so write on Friday. Later on, date. You have to keep one thing in your mind. The way how we write the day. For example, it is 5th March. So you have to write down this 5th March. And after that one, you have to write down comma. Otherwise, आपके marks comma में चले जाएंगे. अगर आप कॉमा नहीं डालते हो, मार्क्स आपके नंबर जो है ना वो कॉमा में चला जाएगा, नहीं मिला कटेगा. सी 5th March 2021. Is it? Now write down dear diary. This symbol is for leaving a space, one line of space. Then write down dear daddy. Then write down body. And here what you have to do, missing one thing, time. And what time we have? I am suggesting you 10:45. What? AM or PM? Yes, PM. Don't ask me, sir, why we cannot use AM. It is my suggestion, my dear. We always write the things of a day experience when we go for our bed. And most probably, naturally, we retire for our bed during what? During night time. That's why it is PM. Don't write AM. In this condition, you can also lose your mark. So now, here our body starts. So, suppose a program was held in your house and the question is saying that today it was your birthday and you enjoyed very much. So write down your experience in the diary format or diary entry. So you can start with like that. It has been a wonderful day. Of my life, because I have enjoyed too much. Okay, so you can say what your friends give you gift. Was your birthday? Genuinely, your friends and your relative will come and give you gifts. Okay now. Later on, leave one line and then write down, I am feeling sleepy now. So, good night diary. Leave one line and at the end write down ABC, or if name is given in your question, write down that one name. Otherwise, write down only ABC or XYZ. Students, I am very much sure that you must have enjoyed this video. And just wait for my next one revision video. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.